If you're looking to cut response times in half using help desk tools, you're in the right place. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to do that and get results fast. Stick around till the end to discover a secret that could change the way you handle customer service. And if you want to follow along, I've got an exclusive free trial to the software we'll be using today, only for viewers of this channel. Check the description below. The first step to cutting response times in half is choosing the right help desk software. You need a tool that centralizes all your customer communication into one place, whether it's email, chat, or social media messages. This keeps everything organized and easy to manage. Instead of jumping between different apps, everything you need will be in one dashboard. That alone can save you a lot of time. Next, make sure you're using the automated ticketing system. With automation, when a new request comes in, the system can automatically categorize and prioritize the ticket based on urgency. This means your team knows exactly what to focus on first. With this software, you can set up rules that route tickets to the right person or team automatically, so they don't waste time figuring out who should handle each request. Speaking of automations, setting up canned responses is a game changer. Canned responses are pre-written replies for frequently asked questions, meaning you don't have to type the same thing over and over again. This can drastically cut down your response time. The best part is that the software we'll be using today lets you customize these responses so they're more personal and less robotic, creating a better experience for your customers. Another key feature to leverage is the knowledge base. By creating an up-to-date and well-organized knowledge base, your customers can solve common problems themselves without needing to contact support. This reduces the volume of requests and lets your team focus on more complex issues. You can use the software to easily link to your knowledge base articles directly from your ticketing system, so your team can share resources instantly. Now, for the magic trick, integrating your help desk software with other tools. If you're using a CRM or any other customer management software, make sure it talks to your help desk system. The integration lets you see customer history and past interactions instantly, so you don't have to dig through emails or previous tickets. Knowing exactly what your customer has experienced can help you solve their issue faster, cutting down response times significantly. And finally, take advantage of analytics and reporting. This software tracks metrics like response time, resolution time, and customer satisfaction. With these insights, you can identify bottlenecks in your process and focus on areas that need improvement. Continuous optimization will help you get even better at reducing response times over time. So, the key takeaway here is simple. To cut response times in half, use the right help desk software, automate as much as possible, create a self-service knowledge base, integrate with other tools, and track your performance. By doing this, you'll streamline your customer support and deliver faster, better service. Remember, you can follow along by using the software I recommended today, and don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description below. Happy to help you get the most out of your help desk.